Hi, this is Bart Palmer from Lion Home Service. Today we're going to be talking about maintenance on your furnace. Now we call it preventive maintenance because it's to prevent any problems in the future. Now I don't know if you're like me, but anything happens, it's always late at night or early in the morning when I can't get a hold of anybody. Annual maintenance on your furnace system will make that system more efficient, which means it saves you money, keeps it lasting longer, so it saves you money, and it allows you to have more comfort in your home. So a quick reminder from me is go ahead and get that furnace maintained. Again, Bart Palmer from Lion Home Service. Make it a great day and stay safe.